strategic investment in TigerGraph. Rajiv, would love if you could shed some light on what the company does.
Sure, Vic. TigerGraph is the enterprise AI infrastructure and graph database leader. We deliver massively parallel storage and computation that scales independently without size limits. That's what sets us apart. We meet the changing workloads and growing data volumes required by large enterprises to really meet their critical business needs and AI adoption by large companies. Now, this helps large companies like JP Morgan Chase, MasterCard, Microsoft, and Unilever solve complex problems and find hidden relationships in their data. And they also use it to solve problems like fraud detection, finding more about their customers, knowing more deeply, and managing their supply chains.
And we've been aware of TigerGraph for a while, even prior to making the investment in the company. We've always been extremely impressed by the technology, the problems that you solve for some of the largest, most complex enterprises in the world. What is the secret sauce behind TigerGraph?
Secret sauce, Vic, is our powerful graph technology, which is built from the ground up using C++. And that is based on our native parallel graph architecture, which gives us massively parallel computing power. And that's what sets us apart. It is specifically designed to handle huge interconnected data sets. So think billions of nodes and trillions of edges and relationships. And this helps us solve the biggest problem for the biggest companies. Things like identifying fraud rings, finding anti-money laundering instances, or creating better recommendation systems. And we focus on delivering real business values that business can measure, and that's what really sets us apart here.
And one of the things that we've seen with TigerGraph is that you have very, very large customers in financial services, banking, and technology. I mean, we're talking about the largest, most complex tier one and tier two banks and technology firms in the world, among others. How are you able to have so much success in these industries?
We succeed because our technology is strong enough to handle their complexity and scale. Each of these customers expect a certain level of performance. And what we do is we are able to solve their business problems and technical problems. So we help bridge that gap.
What is it about TigerGraph that cuts across both technologists and business users in a company to deliver so much value to both those categories?
For data scientists would think they love our technology's power, as I have talked about so far. And it lets them perform deep analysis on complex connected data. And they use this to build advanced AI models on things like fraud detection and product recommendations. And then for the business leaders, they're able to see direct impact on their business. TigerGraph solves their expensive problems, things like fraud losses, which can be very expensive, and customer engagement. Now, how do you make your customers happier? And when you bridge those two, that's what makes it a very compelling solution.
The topic of the day, and I don't need to say it, is agentic AI or even AI in general. How do you see TigerGraph having an impact on this market and leveraging AI in and of itself?
Yeah, so Vic, our graph technology is really perfect for making AI smarter. And AI context matters, and explainability of results matter. And where we come in is we understand context and relationships. And that's what enables our customers to really bring the true value of AI and makes AI more actionable and meaningful. And to be more specific, TigerGraph helps our customers make AI reason better by showing how everything is connected. And connectedness matters here. It also allows AI to make fast and real-time decisions. And once you have the context and you're able to process information much faster, decisions can be faster. And last but not the least is scale. So we can handle enormous scale.
And what are your plans for the next 12 months? And where do you think TigerGraph will be at this time next year?
That's a great question. I would say we are focused on three things right now. So we are focused on product innovation, we are focused on customer growth, and we are focused on customer success. On the product side, we'll continue to improve our technology. We talked about advancements in AI. We talked about performance and scaling, which we already do really well, and we'll continue to add capabilities, more around bringing multimodal databases together, around vector and graph, and bringing the value. On the customer growth, we want to make sure we are going deeper in our target verticals, and target verticals like banking, financial services, and tech. And we want to go after more and more customers and bring the power of TigerGraph to them. And for current customers, we want to make sure each and every customer is super successful.
And Rajiv, where do you think Cuadrilla Capital can help you?
First of all, Vic, we want to thank you for your support and partnership. Now, the investment comes at a pivotal time for us. Now, we are seeing our technology demand exploding. We are seeing our customers being very successful and also very demanding. They want more and more things from us because they see the value. Now, with your backing, we can innovate faster. Now, we think we can expand our market leadership, and we can continue to solve customers' most complex problems. So I see this as a start of a very strong partnership.
I couldn't agree more. And thanks, Rajiv.